Welcome to this video on the monetary history of the Irish pound. We will explore its journey from its origins in the 10th century up to the adoption of the euro. The timeline of the Irish pound spans centuries. It begins with its birth in the 10th century and includes periods of subjugation, rebirth, independence, and transformation to the euro in 2002. The earliest Irish coinage appeared in the late 10th century using the pound SD system. In 1210, King John established parity with English sterling, allowing Irish silver to move freely into the English economy. Over time, the currency faced devaluation and the use of emergency metals. In 1460, King Henry VI passed legislation devaluing Irish coins. Later, during the Williamite War, King James II issued base metal coinage in Ireland, known as gun money. The relationship between the Irish pound and sterling evolved through several pegs and breaks. Key events include the 1737 peg, the 1928 Sauerstadt parity, and the 1979 EMS break, leading to a completely independent legal tender status. The Kingdom of Ireland joined the United Kingdom in 1801. By January 1826, the Irish pound was merged entirely with the pound sterling, and distinct Irish coins vanished for a century. The Irish Free State introduced its own currency in 1928, creating a 1-to-1 gold weight peg with sterling. The new coins featured different denominations and used thick nickel, physically distinguishing them from British versions. The Decimal Currency Act of 1969 replaced the traditional shilling and penny. The state introduced a centesimal subdivision on Decimal Day, February 15, 1971. In 1978, Ireland joined the European monetary system. The UK's refusal to join broke the historic one-for-one link, introducing a new floating exchange rate for the Irish pound on March 30, 1979. Ireland achieved financial sovereignty by opening the Currency Centre at Sandyford in 1978, allowing it to manufacture its own currency. This led to the introduction of distinct coins like the Irish 20p and £1 coins, different in size and shape from British versions. The European Union fixed exchange rates for 11 currencies on December 31, 1998. The Irish pound held a unique position, being the only initial national currency with a conversion factor to the euro of less than 1. The euro entered circulation on January 1, 2002. Irish pound coins and notes ceased to be legal tender on February 9, 2002. However, its value persists, and citizens and collectors can still redeem all Irish coins and banknotes for euros at the Central Bank of Ireland in Dublin.